Hello everyone. Now let us continue the discussion on the EDM process. In the last class I discussed regarding the EDM setup and discussed its working. Then I discussed the mechanism of material removal in the EDM process, the standard waveform in the EDM process parameters in the EDM process. One more thing I would like to add here. What are basically the definition of process parameters? Process parameters mean these are the parameters or these are the input. If we change these parameters, if we change this magnitude of these parameters, the output will change. That means we can vary the open circuit voltage, we can vary the on time, we can vary the off time, and by different values of these we will do the experiment, and the number of changes of these result in the number of experiments. So whatever be our output parameters, for example we are interested in measuring the material removal rate with a given set of values of these process, then we are interested in the material removal rate with the change values in some of these or all of these process, or we are interested in the surface roughness produced by having the particular values of these process. So we are having the process parameters. These are basically the input process parameters. The change in this will result in the change of the output parameters. Output parameters, we may go for the material removal rate, or we may go for the surface finish, or we may go for surface characterization, or etc. Then after this I also discussed regarding the characteristics of the further discussion of the characteristics of EDM process, and then I discussed regarding the dielectric medium and the different types of dielectric used in the EDM process. After that I also discussed regarding the desired characteristics of the electrode material. Now next let us discuss regarding the product quality issues in the EDM process. So in the EDM process we are associated with the surface finish or the surface roughness. That means if we change the value of the process parameters I discussed in the last video also, for example the on time, off time, dielectric material, dielectric pressure, so these will result, the change in these values may result in the change of the surface finish. Then we are having the overcut, and we also discussed that the surface finish was limited to the 2 to 4 micron of the spark crater. Then we are having the overcut and the taper cut. Taper cut means if we are having a non-taper rod but electrode, but it will produce a taper impression on the workpiece. This is because the sparking or the sparks will from all the sides adjacent to the workpiece. So how to limit the taper cut? We can go on for insulating the particular region of the electrode so as to have the controlled sparking from a particular region. Then overcut basically refers to the difference of the diameter of the workpiece hole created and the diameter of the electrode. The difference in this is referred to as overcut. So we will be having these terms associated with the EDM process. We will be associated with a particular value of the surface finish, surface roughness. Then we will be having a particular taper cut, and we will also be have a overcut. Now let us discuss regarding the types of the EDM generators. As we discussed that the EDM is associated with the on time and off time. That means in a particular time, whether in milliseconds or microseconds or nanoseconds, the machining will be done, and for a particular time referred to as off time, the machining will not be done, machining will not occur. So how to obtain the variable electrical nature, how to obtain an off time, on time? So for this we are having a generator. We are having the different types of EDM generator. We are having the RC type generator, resistance capacitance type, relaxation generator. Then we are having a rotary impulse type generator, electronic pulse generator, hybrid EDM generator. The function of all these generator is to modify the input electrical waveform and to obtain a modified output electrical waveform so that we can obtain the on off of the voltage or the current, and we can obtain the on time and off time. So let us discuss the most common type of the generator, that is RC relaxation type of the generator. So this is the in general diagram with the of the RC type of the generator and the associated waveform. So in this diagram we will be having the setup for the RC generator, and to the same setup we are attaching the EDM in that setup. So this is the generator of the EDM setup, and to this setup we are generating a load which is basically our EDM setup, and these are the associated waveforms. So in case of the RC generator, what happens, basically we will be having a resistance attached to a variable capacitance, and this capacitance will, as you know, charge, discharge and discharge. The charging time of the capacitance will be the off time for the EDM. That means when the capacitor will charge, EDM will not be associated with the machining, and the charging time will be the off time. It is equivalent to the off time of the EDM, and the discharge time, that is when it discharge further and gives the supply to the EDM setup. So this discharge time is the time in which the EDM process machining occurs. So this discharge time is basically equivalent to the on time of the EDM setup. So we will be having a charging time, discharging time, which are equivalent to the off time and on time, and this is the load or the EDM setup. If you remove this, then the associated voltage will be called as the open voltage. And so basically what happens in the RC generator, the input power is modified to obtain a waveform such that we are having a charging time which will serve as the pulse off time for the EDM, and the discharge time in which the EDM will machine. So when the capacitor charges, we will not have the machining because we are not having the current supply here. Then the capacitor will discharge, this will be acted further, and this will be associated with the machining, and this is equivalent to the off time. So this is the EDM generator called as a RC type generator, and also the most common type of the generator. Thank you.